Hi students, in the previous class we discussed about generation of three-phase voltage, right? So in the today's class we will discuss regarding what do you mean by balanced power supply and what do you mean by balanced load, right? So as I already told that a three-phase power supply consists of three different EMFs and each are separated by 120-degree phase shift, right? So if each are separated by 120-degree phase shift or each are separated by equal phase shift, then those kind of power supplies are called as a balanced power supply, right? So if the phase shift varies from one EMF to another EMF, then those kind of supply are called as what? Unbalanced power supply, right? So you can clearly visualize that here, right? So in case of this waveform or vector diagram, right? So we can observe it is having 110-degree phase shift and it is having 60-degree phase shift, right? So if you come from here to here, it will be approximately 180-degree phase shift, right? So that is the phase shift varies from 1 voltage to 1 voltage. That is EB is lagging by an angle of 110 degree, whereas EC is leading by an angle of 60 degree, or EC is lagging to EB by an angle of 190 degrees, right? So if that is the case, then those kind of power supplies are called as what? Unbalanced power supply. If it is having equal phase shift, that is 120, 120, 120, then that will be called as what? A balanced power supply, right? So next we will discuss regarding what do you mean by balanced load, right? So balanced load is nothing but what, right? So load is nothing but a resistance or an impedance which we are going to connect at the termination side, right? So if we are going to connect same load for all the phases, then those kind of loads are called as what? A balanced load, right? So it may be star winding or it may be delta winding. It should have a same impedance. Then those kinds of loads are called as what? A balanced load, right? So you can see here, right? So in this one we are having, see, Z, 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 or Z, Z, Z. All loads are equal. Then that will be called as a balanced load, right? So if it is connected in star fashion, then that will be called as balanced star load, right? So if it is connected in delta fashion, it will be called as balanced delta connected load, right? So if the loads are different or if the impedances are different, then that will be called as what? Unbalanced load, right? So you can see here we are going to have the impedance as R, here we are going to have the impedance as XL, here we are going to have the impedance as XC. One is R, one is XL, one is XC, all are different, right? So here also you can see one is XC, one is R and one is XL. All loads are different. Then those kinds of loads are called as what? Unbalanced load. Unbalanced load, right? So in brief, what do you mean by balanced power supply? All the EMF should have the same phase shift, right? So what do you mean by balanced load? All the loads, either it may be in star or delta, it should have same impedance, right? So if there is a variation, then that will be called as balanced power supply as well as balanced load, right? So remaining thing we will discuss in the next.